Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Mozilla Firefox web browser onto your computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser, and you want to navigate over to Google, and into Google you want to type in Firefox, very simple, and just hit enter. One of the best matches should be from a Mozilla.org domain here. It says download Firefox up in the name of the link. Left click on it once. Now on the page you're redirected to, it should be a download button. Left click on the download option. Installer should not take very long to download, and once it's done, just left click on the installer once to run it. If you receive a security notification, left click on run. And if you receive another user account control window, make sure it's a verified publisher here and it says Mozilla Corporation. These are the makers of Firefox. And you want to left click on yes. Now this process to finish installing shouldn't take very long, probably for most people about a minute, so just please be patient. So at this point you guys should be good to go. You can close out of the web browser, do whatever you were going to do. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.